kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute water tank truck. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a happy, smiling mouth. Now draw the front of the truck around the face. Now draw the front bumper and the headlights. Next, draw the windshield and the side window. Then add the side mirrors and the small door handle. Next, draw the long pipe along the side of the tank. Add the wheel rims and some small details around the truck. Draw the rear lights at the back. Then, draw the wheel. Large water tank behind the cabin. You can also draw some grass, small rocks, and the ground underneath the truck. Add the top tank opening and the water drop symbol. Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the truck cabin with bright blue. Use light blue for the water tank. Color the water drop with blue. Add a little orange or yellow for the lights. Use dark, gray, or black for the tires and bumper. Color the wheel rims with light gray. Use green for the grass and soft brown for the ground. You can also add some shading to make the truck look more lively, and done! Your cute water tank truck is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!